So I'm guessing you're looking for some gift ideas for that someone that's just impossible to shop for. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I'm one of those people that's impossible to shop for. So these are 6 products that I found I've never used before. They look really cool. I kind of want to buy them myself, but I probably wouldn't buy it myself. But if somebody bought it for me as a gift, I'd be very happy. It's a very long title.
Mr. Black.
And if you are new here and like this kind of stuff, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it nice and easily, plus a surprise link. But also, if you're someone that's looking to get into video editing, you should really check out FXHOME. And I'm actually using it right now to make this video. And I'll tell you all about that at the end of the video, but if you do duck out early, you can catch the link in the description or the pinned comment. Also, do stay tuned to the channel because I have a big holiday giveaway coming up. I'm giving away like over $1,000 worth of gear, and it's gonna be really fun, and it's gonna be a live stream, and you have to be watching to win. Unless you're a member, you know, that's a perk for members, but I'll tell you all about that on a future video. And if you're looking for some gift ideas along the GoPro gadget line, I mean, you can't go wrong with the HSU 72-in-1 pack. Like, that's a lot of really cool GoPro accessories you can get all in one go. You can put some in stocking stuffers, you can put some in boxes, and it's a really good deal, and you can save money with my discount code. You should also check out Teleson's website. They have a lot of really cool gear as well, and I also have a discount code for them. And another favorite is Ulanzi. They have a lot of random cool gadgets that you can just scroll through the website and be like, oh, that's cool, I like that, or that person will like this, or maybe you'll buy something for yourself, yeah. And another really cool gift that I actually got, but I love it a lot, is the iPhone art. This is from XreART, and you should check them out because they make art out of old iPhones, Samsung phones, and also some other products like Game Boy and Xbox and stuff like that. It's really cool and creative and a great gift. And if you have a really cool gift idea and you want to share it with me or the viewers, make sure you drop a comment down below and let us know what that gift is. I'm sure people would love to see it. But let's get a little bit more random here. These are 6 products that I don't have that I stumbled across, and I'm like, those look really cool, that I want to share with you. So the first one on this list is like TV lights that actually make your TV explode out a little bit more. You go out of your HDMI source, go into this little box, go out of that into your TV, and then you put the LED light strips around the back of the TV, and then it just makes that experience more immersive. Like, the colors are just shining on the wall in coordination with what's happening on the screen. I looked into something like this like 5 years ago, and the price was ridiculously high, and I just looked at it today and I'm like, that's insane. I might actually just buy that right now. So here's another one, and I absolutely love this. Like, I love this. So this is like a little digital clock from Ulanzi, and you can also display your YouTube subscribers like in real time. You can do a lot of really cool custom stuff with it, and it comes in at a very low price. Like, again, I've been looking for something like this for a while, and it's always just been too overpriced, but this coming in at $50, like, these are gonna sell like hotcakes. I think this is gonna be a great gift. I think they'll be able to display other information as well, like the weather, and like you could put a timer up or something like that. Hopefully I'll get my hands on one soon so I can do a full review on it, but I think that would be a fantastic gift. If someone got it for me, I'd put it right up there, just sitting there all the time, and I think that'd be really fun. The next one is kind of a silly one, but I think it's kind of cool too. It's a custom logo wireless LED light projector that you can put on your car doors, so when they open up, it shines down whatever custom logo you want or whatever you want it to say. I think it'd be so funny if somebody opened up my car and my logo was down there. But I mean, also, I'm sure there's plenty of other places that you can like shine that logo, like in your office or just some convention or something like that. But for $24 for 4 of these, I think that that's a pretty fun little gift and could be a cool gift idea. And how about this one? This is a little astronaut that projects a galaxy for 30 bucks. So essentially, it's just this little spaceman, and it projects a starry nebula on your ceiling or wall. It's really cool looking. I could see it being a really fun thing to just sit on your shelf, and then you could turn it on and get a really cool vibe, a really cool mood happening, especially if you're having like a party or something. You know, that might be a really cool way to just light up the room. I know on the website it says like for kids, but I would like that. Come on.
Up yours, children.
Okay, 2 more, and this one is way out of left field. This is this SteamFast Mini Steam Iron. It's kind of like a travel-friendly portable iron for your clothes. As you can tell, I'm not really good at ironing my clothes. Like, they get wrinkly, and when I travel and get on cruise ships and stuff like that, I have to just deal with it. It's kind of annoying. I would actually like to be a well-kept person, and I always feel like pulling out the ironing board and the iron, it's just like a big production, and I'd rather just have something easy, just done. And maybe you know somebody that's like that, and maybe they could take the hint if you get them something like that. It's a really good price too. And maybe I need to take the hint as well. Okay, so last one on this list, and if you are enjoying this list, make sure you click that button right there, give it a like. That way I know you want me to make some more content like this, because there's a lot of stuff out there that I don't have that I think looks pretty cool. All right, so the last one on this list is probably the most expensive on the list, and it's called the Tour Box. It's a tool that you put on your desk if you're a video editor, if you're a photo editor. You can use it to get really fast, speed up your process of editing, because you can just use dials and buttons and stuff like that instead of your mouse and keyboard shortcuts. This would be a great way to do that. I would actually like to get into something like that because I do a lot of video editing and I need to streamline it even faster than I can streamline it now. So if you knew someone that deserved it, I think that's a really cool product. Or maybe the person you're shopping for is just getting into video editing. Well, this could be a great gift too. So people are always asking me for some advice on some video editing software, especially free video editing software. And there is a lot to choose from, and then I found FXHOME. From start to finish, it's super easy to edit and export your projects. They also have free music, sound effects, video effects, and just a lot of tutorials right here on this side that will show you how to use it so you can learn really quickly. And they're also adding new features and effects to it all the time. It's a really cool program and little ecosystem there. And best of all, it's free to use, so you can download it and try it out and see if it's the right program for you. And they do have some extra effects and sounds and things like that that you can pay either monthly or annually. But you can always download it and just try the free part of it and see if that's right for you. And if there's more, you can just add that later. So if you are new to the editing world, you should really check this out because it's a great place to start. You can click the link in the description or the pinned comment, and then you can try it out, play around with it, see how easy it is to use, and I think you'll be pretty happy with it. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are still watching, don't forget to leave that comment down below and give us your gift idea. And stay tuned to the channel for that massive giveaway that's happening soon. I won't ever let you know in the comments that you're won something, just so you know. It's going to be on a live stream that you'll have to be watching, but I'll tell you more about that later on, so stay tuned. See you next time.
Mr. Blank.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.